Tonight, President Trump's controversial travel ban remains in a legal battle.
A federal appellate court in San Francisco, California will hear the case for and against the ban. But even with the ban's temporary suspension, a UW-Whitewater professor says he is not taking any chances. Valina Jones spoke with the professor today and joins us now with more on how the ban has affected him. Valina?
Well, the U.S. has become home to Sorush Aslani, who has lived in the States for 8 years. He finished his PhD program in Chicago and then was hired back in 2014 at UW-Whitewater. Despite the time he has spent here, he says he fears if he leaves the country, he won't be let back in.
It's very important. It's very important for the country.
What happens tomorrow? What happens next week? When you cannot predict the behavior of the government, you cannot plan on anything.
Planning is an important part of Sorush Aslani's life as a professor at UW-Whitewater's College of Business and Economics. Although Aslani has a U.S. green card, he's worried that his Iranian citizenship makes traveling out of the country too risky.
I'm passionate about my job, my work, my friends, people around me, and it's not a very nice or pleasant feeling that overnight the government kind of signals you that you are not welcome here.
Iran is one of the 7 countries listed under President Trump's refugee and immigration ban that is temporarily suspended. While visa holders are rushing to reunite with families in the U.S., Aslani is holding off on a planned visit to Canada, where his mom's dealing with health issues.
You want to visit your family, so I cannot do that because if you go there and they don't let you in, so the whole class life, my teaching, my student, it jeopardizes the whole thing.
The president argues the temporary ban will protect the country from terrorists and says vetting processes need to be stronger. But for the professor who went through 4 months of vetting and has seen the impact immigrants have made, he says diversity makes the country stronger.
And these immigrants are building foundations for that, better education, better quality of research. And that, as a whole society, the whole state, the whole country, we progress and advance together.
With uncertainty of what's to come, Aslani says his focus is on the future.
First, what happens next? To me, other people who are even more, more vulnerable situation, and also in what direction the country is going.
Now, Aslani says despite his concerns, he has been comforted to receive support from the community. Now, at least one UW-Whitewater student is affected by the executive order, according to the university.
Valina Jones reporting in the studio tonight. Valina, thanks.